Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we are going to make some more bee themed DIYs. Let's start with DIY number one. For this, I got one of the shadow box and also bee themed printed tissue paper. So I just cut according to the size of the shadow box. To start, I painted the shadow box with white chalk paint, and after it paint dried, I just took generous amount of the smart part and I'm smearing it with paintbrush, and I'm carefully applying this tissue paper on top of this Mod Podge. And to remove the air bubbles, I was just doing movement from center to outside, and I let it dry. I took one of this Be Kind sign and I started painting the borders with white acrylic paint, and I let that dry. Now this smart part is dried, so I just sanded down the corners, and I'm just taking generous amount of hot glue. I'm sticking this Be Kind sign in center of this tissue paper, and I just created two bows with this honeycomb print and also one with black with white swirls on it, and I attached one of the sunflower in the center and greenery on either side to finish the look. Isn't this a pretty sign? I just love the background tissue paper, which has nice beehive and butterflies and bees flying all around it, and center sign saying be kind. And I'm so happy how this turned out. I hope you would like it too. So what do you think? Let me know. And this video will be part of Summer Days, and this is hosted by Amanda from Six Kids and a Glue Gun, and Katie from Lady Red Crafting, and the guest host is East Coast Mommy. I'm going to link the crafting channels of these three ladies in my description box, as well as link to the playlist. So please watch all of our videos and give lots of love. Let's move on to DIY number two. For this, I'm going to take one of this hexagon sign that I used earlier, and I'm also going to take this bee, which is the top part I used for the earlier project. So now I'm going to use this beautiful lady bee gnome, and I'm going to attach that on top of this hexagon. And I also took two of these flat beads and I painted with antiquing wax, and I'm going to cover those holes to give like a nail effect there. And I took one of this crate that I used for previous year project, and I'm attaching these two together with this craft stick, and I'm going to fill lots of goodies in there. Before that, I just stuck one of this cute bow with a yellow flower in the center. The bow is filled with a lot of honeybees, and I just stuck it in one corner, and I just stuffed this box with lot of plastic bags and some of this Spanish moss, some sunflowers, and all kind of greenery and yellow flowers to fill that crate. And this cute bee is standing on top of those flower garden and having lots of fun. So this is one of the cute bee sign that I wanted to share with y'all, and that cute verbiage says cute as can be is saying it all, and I'm absolutely happy how this cute bee turned out, and I absolutely love this, and I hope you would like it too. So let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number three. For this, I'm going to use one of this beautiful fabric from Dollar Tree recently, and I'm going to use that sign where it says fresh honey, and I'm going to cut down that piece and attach to this beautiful candle holder. This already looks like a honey pot, and it also has a metallic bee thing, and I'm going to decorate that also. For that, to start with, I'm just going to paint with little bit of a Mod Podge on front surface of this honey pot candle holder, and I'm going to gently press this fabric against this Mod Podge and let it dry. And while that's drying, I just took this metallic bee and painted with yellow acrylic paint, and I also filled this yellow paint inside this honey pot to give like a faux honey look there. And after this metallic bead dried, I just took a little bit of antiquing wax, and I'm just actually rubbing it with a napkin on top of it to give like little distressed look and also give like little brownish tint to it. And I just circulated it around this honey pot with this jute twine, and I'm also smearing a little bit of this hot glue around the mouth of this honey pot, and I'm going to paint that with yellow paint to give like a honey look there. After the glue dried, I'm just painting it with the same yellow acrylic paint all around it, and I inserted one of the skewer to give like a honey pot look there. Isn't this pretty? I just love this all natural fresh honey label which we just picked up from the fabric, and that's stuck to this beautiful pot. And this already the candle holder looks like honey pot, so I just thought I should give this dressed up look to that. And I attached one of the yellow flower around the where the bee is, and I call this is done. Isn't this pretty honey pot? I just love how this turned out. I hope you like it too. So again, let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this, I got one of this cute box. Actually, it's a pack of 2 boxes, and it's already in hexagon shape. It also has nice bee design on it, so I thought I should include this as one of the cute DIY. For this, I'm going to use these 2 colors. To start, I just painted this hexagon box with this yellow paint, and I gave like 2 to 3 coats to get like nice coverage. And then I took this black paint. Using Q-tips, I'm just dipping into the black paint and I'm just creating dots all around it to give like a polka dotted box there. Then I filled with the Spanish moss and filled with florals and greenery, and I'm going to show this towards the end. So let's move on to DIY number 5. For the top part of this hexagon box, it already had a cute design. I wanted to decorate that, so I'm just darkening the cute bees that are flying around the flowers, and also those flowers which are on the borders. So you're going to see that. I'm going to show the details. I just highlighted with the black marker and decorated this piece. So I'm going to decorate also this with a cute bow, and this will also go as another meaning of the tier tray. And I'm going to give a cute bow to it with a greenery on either side, and I'm going to attach that on top and show that in the tier tray coming up. So let's move on to DIY number 6 or hack 6. So I just took this beautiful candle which already had like a embossed bee on either side. Those 2 handles I'm just darkening with this black acrylic paint, and I'm also giving a cute bow on the top. Isn't this a cute honey pot? These are some of my social media handles if you would like to connect with me over there. So now we reached the final part of the video, which is the final reveal, and I just placed all those tiny minis on top of this tier tray, and this is this hexagon box cover. Now you can see the details. I highlighted the bees with this tiny very thin Sharpie, and I just highlighted the flowers and the bicycle, the cute bow on the top, and if you can see the honey pot candle in the back with a honeybee on the front with a cute polka dotted bow on top, another polka dotted hexagon dish in this tier, and then you're going to see some more on the top. And other DIYs, some of them I used as a filler. These I used for the previous DIYs or the last year DIYs, and if you want to see how I did that, I can link that in the description box. That smiling bee that you see is a mascot of my daughter's school, so I just wanted to decorate it on top of this beautiful sunflower candle holder, and I just filled with a lot of greenery, and then bee is having lots of fun on flower bed. And that's one of the home that I did last year, and that's one of the hanger with bees and honey and a tassel to it. This also, all these are from Dollar Tree, you guys. Can you believe it? You can decorate your home with the Dollar Tree item. A little bit of dressing up that you can pick up from the ideas that I show in my channel. And if you like some of these ideas and if you'd like to join with the family, I'd be more than happy. You click on the subscribe button and join, and definitely don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get updated when I upload videos like this. And I would let you enjoy the final reveal. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.